Night students, welcome to another video. As you may hear the music in the background, positivity going into the new year. There's no time to be sad. We're going to be happy. And together we will complete this SBA. Alright, so in the last video we looked at how to draw the walls of the floor plan. So in today's video we're gonna look at how to add the windows. So it shouldn't be anything hard. Alright, so let's go about doing that right now. As I said, positive vibes, no bad energy. Going into the new year. Alright, so there are three windows. Three different size windows. So we have one of 1800, we have one of 1200, and we have one of 600. So it would be very tedious to create each of these windows individually, one by one. So what we're going to do, we're just gonna create 3 copies of these, and then we're going to copy them and place it at the respective spot. Alright, so we're gonna construct the first one, which is 1200. 150, we're going down by 1200, go across by 150 again, and 1200. Then now we're going to, from the center point of this line, we're gonna, the midpoint, draw a line down, and on this line, boop, and ensure that the window is placed in the wind glass. Ensure that you set your layers again, because I won't be going through this again. Alright, so I'm gonna create the other window, the 600. So 150, you're gonna go down by 600 by 150. I'm gonna go up by 150, and we're gonna repeat the process at the midpoint. Carry a line down. Then we're going to make the other window, which is of 1800. Cause I'm bring me down, cause I'm happy now. If you know that a room without a roof. Now you have to listen to the song as you go along doing the drawing. Gotta be happy, can't be sad. There's so much to give thanks for. Alright, so when you're finished, you're gonna just place these in the window glass layers. Once you're finished drawing the windows and have placed them in the right layer, you're now going to create each of these windows as a block. And to do so, you're gonna select everything, and you're gonna press Shift Control C, and it's gonna select a point on the window. So I'm gonna select here, then Shift Control V to paste it. So now when I click on it, everything selects, versus this one. So everything is as one. Here everything is broken. So we no longer need this. So we're just going to delete that. And we're going to repeat the process. Shift Control C, select a point, click, Shift Control V. So now we have our 3 blocks. See, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. So can you see that we're now finished? So all you need to know now is the measurements as to where the windows are supposed to be placed. Alright, so we're gonna focus on the master bedroom. So there are 2 windows in the master bedroom, the 1200 by the 150. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna select, just gonna paste. So 1, 2. There are 2 in the other bedroom, so 1, 2. There's 1 in the kitchen area, 1, and we have 1 as you enter the patio. Beautiful. So now we're gonna just rotate this. So it's going to rotate. We're gonna rotate it. Ensure that ortho mode is turned on when you're rotating the windows. So we're gonna rotate just the windows. Rotate it. Whoop. Rotate it. Alright, now then we have for the bathroom window now, windows. So for the bathroom windows, we have 2 bathroom windows. So we're just gonna copy 1, turn off ortho mode. So 1, 2, beautiful. So now the 1800 windows, we have 1 in the living room and 1 in the kitchen. And there we have it. So now we have placed where the windows will go and the amount we need. So once we're finished doing that, now we're just gonna go about placing the windows now. So from the exterior wall, you know where the window is at. It has a distance of 1650. So all I need to do now is just select the window. I'm gonna press move, or I can just select it right here. Place it at the exterior wall, and you're gonna slightly move up until you see extension comes up. Then you're going to enter that value, which I just showed you, which is 1650. Carry it up until I say extension, it puts 1650. And automatically the window will be placed. Do you see that? Alright. Then now we're going to place the other bathroom window. So from this first window, it has a... Alright. So now we're going to place the bathroom window. So the distance from the first window to the bathroom window is separated by a distance of 2,250. So all we need to do now is just select this window, press here, bring it at this point until you see extension. You're gonna enter the value 2,250, and it will be automatically placed. And you're just gonna repeat the same process. So from this bathroom window to that bathroom window, it is separated by a distance of 1200. So just click on the window, place it at this window now, bring it up by 1200, and that should be you. And you're just gonna repeat the same process. So this has a distance. Alright, now for this window now, from the exterior wall, it has a distance of 1350. So just bring the window here, carry it over until I say extension 1350, and the window will be automatically placed, and that should be you. Alright, so for this window now, as you can see, our selected point was here. So what we can do, we can either just press move, select move, then you're gonna select a new point, select this point, and now we're gonna enter the distance of 1052. 1052. For this window also, this has a window of what, 1800. So distance separating that window by that is what, 3300. Window. And there we have all of our windows. We have all of our windows inserted. Beautiful. See you in the next video.